The ongoing construction at the interchange of I-630 and I-430 in Little Rock demonstrates basic concepts of soil mechanics. Knowledge of underlying soil on the project site is useful to the design of an effective foundation. The most common in situ test is known as the Standard Penetration Test, or SPT. This test is common because it is cost efficient, performed in already drilled borings, and a disturbed sample is obtained for further classification. Performance of SPT results in what is known as N values. These N values only represent an index of soil behavior and do not directly measure conventional engineering properties. A 140-pound hammer drives a split spoon sampler into the boring hole at 6-inch increments. The first 6 inches are considered seeding and therefore not taken into consideration for the N values. N is equal to the number of blows to occur in the second 6 inches plus the number of blows to occur in the third 6 inches. Please note that refusal occurs at 50 blows. We directly obtain N values through performance of this test, yet this value needs to be corrected to what is known as N sub 60, which takes into consideration the hammer efficiency, the correction of the bore hole diameter, the correction of the sampler, and the correction of the rod length. At our location of interest, we were given the following information from geotechnical reports at various depths below the ground surface elevation. Find the corrected N sub 60 value for each layer of the soil. According to tables 4.4 and 4.3 from the second edition of Foundation Design Principles and Practices by Donald P. Caduto, we are able to obtain the following correction factors. From the geological reports, we are given information about the grain size distribution and Atterberg limits. With this, we are able to classify the soil by two methods. We can classify the soil by the USCS ASTM standards and the AASHTO specifications. First, we will classify the soil by the ASTM standards. The percent passing the number 4 sieve, percent passing the number 200 sieve, the liquid limit, and the plastic limit are all of interest to us in classifying the soil by USCS ASTM standards. By the USCS ASTM classification, we have an SCSM clayey sand. Now we shall classify the soil by AASHTO specifications. By AASHTO specifications, we have an A4A silty soil.